Oh, man, you wild. The hell?
Ooh, this is sick.
Oh.
Teddy Roosevelt. Right? Is that Teddy Roosevelt?
Yeah, that's him.
That's my boy.
Where you go there?
I'm just like trying to like imagine.
It's so creepy with that
like,
light in the back.
It's 1905 and I just murdered my whole family and just sitting in here. I stole a loaf of bread.
Dude, this is heavy, man.
Yeah.
What? I'm not gonna walk in there with you in case oh, there's like writing in here and stuff.
Yeah, there's writing all over the place. Oh.
Damn.
Bend.
They got the right idea, kind of, but that's a small ass glory hole.
Right.
Oh, look at this to your left. All that writing on there.
Oh, I know. I wonder if there's any like ancient shit straight through here.
What, like some hieroglyphics and shit?
No. What's this one?
So this is where they most likely kept their rifles and stuff. Oh, dude, they got a wood burning furnace. Oh, it still works. Ah.
What?
This furnace.
Why wouldn't it work?
So you do that and then you lock it.
What's up, dear? What's up? Oh, there's an antelope right there.
Oh, shit.
It's an antelope.
Which president is that on the left?
I have no idea.
McKinley.
How do you know that?
I read it over there.
Alright, at least you're honest. Oh, look at this. President is dead.
Yeah. Right under the thing it says McKinley in small print above false reports.
Are you ready to look at this?
Mm-hmm. I was like, man, that's an old piece of paper. You flip it over, it's all in color.
Don't forget.
Is that a Rubik's Cube?
Jesus. What is going on here? What is that? What is that?
He's praying.
Oh.
What'd you think it was?
I don't even know. Oh, that's the place he came from, huh?
Yeah.
Ooh, here's a lesson, guys. Oh. That's what DMT's like.
Oh.
Oh, is this 300? Ooh. Thing just goes. Ooh, Evangicube.
It's supposed to be a list, not a cube.